In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop PDF. So I'm going on this website. I love PDF. Mm, This is the first website. I love PDF. This is very easy drag and drop website. You don't need to log in here and spend any single money. Everything are totally free. Now at the last moment, you can see this is a crop PDF. Just click here, then select your PDF. So I'm trying to select this one. Now you can see it's already imported, so I need to crop, right? Just select. Oh, okay, that's good. Now again click on the second one. Wow, it's already working, and this one working. Now click on crop PDF, then again click on download. Wow, my work are ready. So I'm trying to open. You can see it's already working as well. So this is a method how you can crop your PDF in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.